Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm trying something new, trying not to take my hats out that I put in last night. So far that works. I need another pin. So I received a few things from Amazon today, and I was opening my merchandise and I realized I can do an unboxing. So I ordered this belt, and it is a two-sided belt, black and I'll call it tan or camel, and in there came instructions as to how to wear this belt. This is the buckle of the belt, and here's the belt. Yeah, and all I have to do to put it on is slide it in like this and hook it into the last hole. It's a little bit big. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to allow my husband to add a couple of holes into the belt. I can take this off and flip it over to the black side. So if I wanted to wear this belt here and just let you see that it'll be really easy to put on. Slide it. As I told you, it's a little bit big, so I probably just need one more loop and I can wear it. Reversible belt, and inside came this little contraption, and I have no clue what it's for. If you know what this is supposed to be used for, just let me know, because I don't have a clue. Maybe it is something that I can use to create another hole. And also there is a discount code that I can use for Amazon on this little triangle. The next thing I'm going to show you is a pair of shoes. If you know me by now, you know I love Sam Edelman shoes. So Sam Edelman sends this little envelope with information in reference to the packaging and other information about Sam Edelman. And I think Sam is also somehow connected to Libby, so that I guess when you see those Sam and Libby shoes, because in there is always like a little conversation that Sam is having with Libby. Now what I purchased is a pair of Mary Jane. And I hope they fit perfectly. They come in their own little dust bag. And this is the shoe. To me, it looks cowboy-ish or western. And I don't know why I'm always drawn to those kinds of shoes. I'll be styling these eventually with something. Yeah, here's the Sam Edelman logo. And these are the shoes. I think they're just gorgeous. I really like them a lot. Other things I purchased, I like blazers. The blazer is to be worn in April to an event that I'll be going to. I don't have a lot of formal wear, so I do have a black tank as well as a black skirt that are silk or satin that I plan to wear this with. And I'm going to give you an idea of what this looks like, because I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I'm going to let you see. So this is the look. So I'll be wearing a flared silk skirt and a tank underneath this when I attend the event. I really like it. I wish it came, I wish that it was a little bit tighter here, but maybe I can add a hook to it to make it look better. I'm going to turn around because I want to see what it looks like in the back as well. And so this is just to dress up my tank and skirt that I'll be wearing with this blazer. I think it's going to be a hit. And I'll be certain to show you what that looks like in April when I wear it. And so this is my unboxing, and this is everything that I have. Yeah, thank you for watching.